Hi Cluebeauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chidima aka Clue. Thank you so much for tuning back for today's tutorial. If you're new here, say big welcome to you. If you're a returning viewer, subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So today, like the title say, we're going to be doing how to outline a full lace. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can outline your laces, be it closure or full lace, but today we'll be working on full lace. If you'd like me to do for closures or frontals, please leave a comment in the comment box down below and I'll be answering all of them, and also I'm going to attend to all of them. If you have a video request, please don't forget, do not hesitate to let me know. I'm going to do all of them for you guys. So today, like the title say, we'll be going on to this video. So I'll be seeing you guys after this short break. See you. So welcome back, guys. Like I said, today is another episode of hair series, and like I said, I'm going to be doing how to outline a full lace for you. Please do not mind the background. I'm actually very busy, so I'm just trying to get to work. So the equipment you need for today's tutorial is, you'll be needing your tape. Okay, how to outline, you'll be needing your tape, you'll be needing your full lace. This is a Swiss lace full lace. You'll be needing this. You'll be needing your mannequin, a stand. So I have this mannequin stand, the short mannequin table stand. If you have the tripod stand, you can go ahead and use it. If you can hold your mannequin by yourself, you go ahead and do that, but this is it. Then we'll be needing our T-pins. Let me show you guys that. You'll be needing the T-pins. Okay, any type of pins, holdable pins, that's any type you have, you can make use of it. Then we'll be needing our lace liner or pencil, or lace pencil. I don't know what it's called, but I think the one I see mostly is the what is it called again, the metallic has gold and silver. I also see this green one. I think this is the marker, a lace marker, a net marker, whatever name you choose to call it. I think you're all correct. So this is it. So I actually have this outline on my mannequin. I use it I mean the hairline. I have this hairline on my mannequin. I use it mostly for the ones that doesn't have any hairline, but this one has a hairline, so this is good to go. So like I said, we're going to be working with this. So the first thing you need to do is you need to know where to place your lace. So where to place your lace is, you see this side, I don't know if you can see me, you see this side that has the hook for the adjustable band. You see this side stays under, yeah, it stays inside. You don't ventilate on the surface where this side appears, this particular side. You don't ventilate, like you don't ventilate this way. This way is a no. You don't ventilate this way. Okay, you do not ventilate this way. So this is how you ventilate, this way. So that adjustable side of it has to stay inside, while the other side is the one that stays outside. Now I'll give you several reasons why you really need to make sure that this side stays inside, that the adjustable band that stays inside and the other side stays outside. The reason is that when you look at this side of it is the side where the whole sewing occurred. Okay, this is where they did the whole sewing. So this is more like the back of it, while the inside is the front. So the inside is well folded, while this side is the place where the sewing happened. I don't know if you guys get what I mean, but if you get your full lace, you understand exactly what I mean. So the next point is that when this side stays underneath, it's going to be touching on the person's hair. Okay, people like myself that doesn't like to wear a wig cap, the other wig cap before wearing our wigs, this is going to be disrupting your hair and it's going to be very itchy, and at the same time it's going to how do I put it, it's going to make it like it's going to cut your hair. You know, every time you remove your full lace, you'll be seeing your hair on the full lace, which is bad. So these are the reasons why you need to turn this out and the other side in, because some of us will just be like, oh, but the other side is the front now, so how are we going to be ventilating here? So these are the reasons why you really need to ventilate here. So let's go into the tracing. I'm going to show you guys how you can trace this, how you can you know, ventilate and outline for your ventilate. So at first you're going to stick this whole thing down. So you need your tape, like I said. Now this tape, you're going to measure it from you need to measure from down to the up in a vertical manner. Now we've measured it, this is 15 inches, okay? So you need to make sure this is exactly what your hair is. I'm going to measure it. And my own is 14 inches. So that means it's going to cover your hair perfectly, okay? Which is the ideal way of doing it. Okay, you need to add extra 1 inch so you can be able to cover up your hair perfectly. You don't need to see anything aside from the net. Okay, so first place we're going to work with is the back. So I'm going to show you guys. We need to work with the back first. Now we don't need to be seeing these joint areas, okay? So you need to ventilate to cover up this joint area. So you can, if you're doing a simple very small piece, you decide you have to make sure that whatever you're outlining starts from here and ends around here. So whatever we're going to do, we'll have to cover these joint areas. So let's go. So this is 1. We need to measure 2 inch. Now you can see our 2 inch where it's ended, but this is where we need to ventilate, so we need to go up, okay? And now this is where the 2 inch starts here. Now we need to go back to the side, and this is it, 2 inch. Now we need to do here. You can see where the green spot is showing you. So this is 2 inch. So this you have to join to here, while this joins to here. So that's what we're going to do right now. So this is like the best way to do this, so you don't have you won't, you know, make any mistake. Okay, this is the best way, because if you start from the front, definitely this back is going to look rough. But what we want is something that the back looks perfect and the front looks perfect. Okay, so we've gotten the first one. So coming to the front, we need to get the middle. So I'm going to measure from here to here, like the two sides, here to here, and it's 4 inches. Okay, so this is like 4 by 4 around here. This place and this place is like 4 by 4. So I need to go to the middle of this, the middle of the 4 by 4. So it's time to work with this side. So remember, you need to keep it flat. So the first one goes to here, the second one goes to here, while the third stays this way. So we'll do the same thing to this side. I hope you guys can see. Remember, we're working with the 6 that we have. So the first stays here, second stays here, and the third stays here. So we have to match it up to this. I hope you understand what I'm doing. So since this place is still flat, we're going to work with this one first. So we go. Then the next one is this. So whatever you do here, I need you to remember that, like we have now, this side looks a little bit smaller than this side. So this is where you're starting your ventilating to join to this one, while this side is where you have to count the remaining 2 that you need to leave. So we're working with this line, mind you. So guys, whatever you are doing, make sure that the line, the first 2 lines, 1 and 2, is at the same horizontal line. That will make it very beautiful. Okay, if it's not in the same horizontal line, it's going to look a little bit crooked. Okay, so now let's work with the back of it. Now I need you to remember something. At this area, we have this side ruled off. At the back, each of this that is staying at the front is going to stop exactly where the joint area stops. So I will have enough line to add up something from there to match up with the back, because we really need that back area. We really need to cover up the joint part. So this side is all ruled off. Don't you ever forget that. So this is it. So what area we're working with this area. So I want to get this done with. So this is how it's going to work. You need to measure at 2 from here. So if you measure at 2, is exactly at this point. But I think I'm going to shift it a little bit. I'm going to make it 2.5. Reason is that I don't want to have any other line here. Like I say, what I'm doing is a jumbo size. So you guys see, so here works this way. So this is it, guys. The front looks very beautiful.
So we've come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's episode. I hope this video was helpful to somebody or some people out there. If you'd like me to ventilate, if you'd like to see when I ventilated these just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and let me know what you think in the comment box down below. I'll be posting the video. So thank you so much guys, and I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.